Hi, I'm Deb, your Get Set Up guide. Do you crave a steaming bowl of soup this time of year? It's a favorite with me. There's soup on the menu every week in my house. Putting a pot of soup on the stove or in the crock pot at the start of the day is so easy, and it guarantees wonderful aromas and a nutritious and hearty and delicious meal by lunch or by dinner time. And I always have plenty of leftovers to freeze or eat later in the week. What a great way to save on kitchen time. Are you looking for some new recipes, or do you like the idea of putting your own twist on a soup with just a few guidelines? I know I have my favorites like vegetable soup, chicken noodle, ham and bean. I carry the idea of their recipes in my head and I wing it. The results are always delicious. Lately, I've been experimenting with some master soup recipes so that I can wing it more often, and I'd love to share what I've learned. We'll talk about a master recipe for broth and cream-based soups and look at a few variations of each one to inspire you to do your own thing. So if you'd like to get creative with your soup making, join me for Soups from Scratch. You'll leave the session with the information and confidence to design your own secret recipe.